Hi, welcome. These are just a couple of the MiniArt figures I've done in between doing my Stuka. As you can see, they're 1 to 16. And basically, I've said before, I've shown MiniArt figures I have done on here. And basically, they're the same. The horse's head is different on these, but the actual figure very similar, the legs and everything. It doesn't come with the reins on it. That's actually made out of paper. The thing I left off of this one was the back part. It didn't look too good, so I left that off. Again, the helmets, exactly the same. Another thing, on this one, where I don't know if it's an ammo pouch, but this strap is moulded on and came all the way round, but it looked like the pouch was then just stuck on. So actually with plastic card, I did extend these to come round so that they look like they're holding the pouch. Looks like a big strap just for that. There was quite a bit of filling I had to do in the horse. Like with most MiniArt, there are a lot of gaps, but it's not too bad to fill them. Went together quite easy. And trying to get the rifle with his finger on the trigger was a bit of messing about, but I think I managed to do it okay. Also, the where these stirrups are, there's no straps on them, so I made them again. That was out of plastic. Same with the straps for the swords. They don't come on, so they're actually plastic card for the to hold the sword on, otherwise it looks strange just stuck there. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to get back to my Stuka. Thank you.